fingerprint. You already know I had to come back and come through with another finger. You feel me? And today I have two very special guests, my niece Morgan and Paige. And today we are making some slime. We got all the products right here. And we're gonna just go ahead and go into the video and show y'all what we got. So don't forget to like, comment, and what should they do?
Subscribe.
Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this video. We got some glue. We have Elmer's glue and some off-brand Dollar Tree glue. We have the saline solution. We have baking soda, little beads and stuff. We have magic model clay. We have containers, and we have some pink and purple clear slime because they're gonna be making clear slime. And we have some shaving cream, which the top is kind of broken, but you know that's okay. And I'm gonna be making green slime with some acrylic paint that I've used before. And we have glitter. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into the slime making. Alright, I'm gonna put all the stuff to the side. What color you making, Morgan?
I'm making pink.
Yes, and you making purple, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Where's the pink one?
Okay, let me just go ahead and open these up. This is actually from Dollar Tree. We got 5 in here. So yeah, that was a good
Off-brand slime. Are you gonna open it?
Yes. So you get a container. I get a container. Actually, that was 2. It is 2, just hard to come out.
This one. Yay. Now can you get bacon?
Yep. You can just take the whole top off and just like pour it in there.
Dang. It's getting on me.
Yeah.
How much do we need? Look at that.
You can just use how much you want.
Right.
Actually, that's how much you want. That little bit.
Yeah. Then you have.
Okay, that's a
How do
little
you
bit.
get the top off? This won't work. There we go.
And I'm going to get in this one.
So we've been a lot. That's a lot to serve for me. Right. And we're. Come on. This is sketchy.
It is. You're not supposed to touch it first. You gotta wait.
And we was watching slime videos on the TV.
We was gonna make rainbow slime, but we couldn't really find like all the stuff to make that. But maybe another time we'll make rainbow.
Yeah. How long is it going to take?
I used to have a whole collection of
Alright.
slime, like a whole bunch.
Even
And I threw it away. Like I threw like all my slime away. I didn't even keep one.
Look at that. I thought I gotta wash it.
No, you can keep them like that because it's gonna attach to the slime.
This is the look at getting your hands sticky is the part of fun.
Yes. All right. Now y'all can put some glitter in it.
Let me pick
Let's
this.
move this to the side.
Brittany, I want my glitter.
Whoa! It's spread on me.
Brittany, can you pass me my glitter?
Hold up, that's a lot. And you gotta get in the camera to show them.
I like it.
What color you wanna use?
I like a lot of glitter. What about this? Brittany, I want mine to be super glittery.
Okay, that's enough. Whoa, it's so big. Your glitter. Look at that, so nice and pretty. Wow.
Stand up.
And
Now,
look at this. She has red glitter, and I have no glitter, but I'm about to put some in there. Ooh, yes. Just a little bit.
I want to
You add some more.
Mom.
Okay, that's enough.
This actually smells awesome. It's really strong. Done.
With this one, keep it forever.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, you can mix it. You can go ahead and mix it now.
Wow.
I gotta wait.
Let's stir it up. Mix it.
Yes, I'm turning this on yet.
You gotta keep it. Not gonna fall off. How long was this?
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and add the saline solution.
Oh man.
And then I'm gonna add some baking soda.
Do we put that baking soda?
Mm-hmm. This is awesome.
Look at that gooiness, Brittany.
Woo. It's already taken. Just got this is up.
Squish. Moving this.
We got some, yeah.
All the
I don't want to even open
down.
this. Now it's going to turn to slime when we put this in there.
Oh.
Put a little baking soda. Oh, I might have added too much. Just mix it. That should be good. Oh, it's turning to slime.
Yeah.
You want to add some water?
Brittany?
Yeah, I think so.
Yes. I think so. Pour in the water. Pour in, Brittany.
It's turning into slime.
Let me add a little bit of water. And then a little bit of baking soda. Not too much because... Okay, that should be good. And I'm going to add some of that too.
That should be good.
I'm about to go in with my hands and mix mine. I'm going to use my finger. I hope that's going to work. It is.
Oh, mine's
Is yours turning to slime?
Yeah.
So I will add.
Oh, my hand.
Here. Mixing it. If it's not turning to slime yet, you can go in with your hands. It's really turning to slime. I haven't made slime in a long time. I want to add green to it.
Oh, this is slime.
Alright, you can put it on the table and start mixing it, okay? Like, you gotta really mix it. Your hand's gonna get dirty.
And then we're going to use that clay stuff that you said in the video. Whoa.
I think yours is done.
Brittany, you look.
You just need a little bit more activator.
Brittany, mine's is slime. I think.
You can go in with your hands now.
Me? Me, Brittany?
Mm-hmm. Just a little bit more.
Can I just take out my fork now?
Yeah, you can.
Brittany, how do I get the sticky slime off?
Just put it on the table. We'll get that up later.
This is.
Now you can start going in with your hands.
Oh, this is fun.
Oh, look at that.
Look at
Now I
that.
can take it out.
I hope this don't stick on the table. This one.
It's gooey.
It's kind of like my hand, I think. Oh God, it's getting all over my hand. Whoa. So cool and sticky.
Looks like purple slime.
You basically use all the glue.
I never made slime.
So cool.
So sticky and cool. I didn't feel
Yeah.
slime before anyway. Now take it out now, Brittany.
You could have been took that out. Put it on the table.
Oh,
And be very careful, guys.
Brittany, I can't take it off.
You gotta play with it so it get hard. Look at her slime.
what in the world?
I know it look messy, it look crazy.
Brittany.
So
Well,
cool.
Grandma can use it. Brittany, can we get the slime off?
You have to do that. You have to play with it. Like start playing with it. It's sticky, isn't it? Here, use some of this. Alright. And like do like this.
Do like this.
Oh, look at this.
That's so cool.
Stretch far. Let's get that.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, this is so cool. I can see.
This one.
Oh, mine's not sticky anymore.
That way though. The other stickers.
This was quicker than I thought it was gonna be.
But now I'm gonna get the rest of my slime out of my thing.
You can.
Yes. Yes, this is the day I wanted. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
I don't know if I should add beads to this or if I should add
This is
color.
stick.
What should I add? I think I'm gonna add some shaving cream. You want shaving cream?
I would chicken cream.
You gotta finish fixing yours. Yours is messed up.
Wait, hold on. Let me put the rest of my slime in. Whoa. Y'all want some?
Mine's not messed up anymore.
This is a new can. You want some of this?
No,
got more than enough stuff.
Right.
So
So sticky. Yeah. This is some shitty thing. Oh.
I hope they didn't see that.
They is gonna see it.
I'm just like a slime.
A mush.
Maybe we gotta start more on school.
No. That's my slime. Sitting there sad and lonely.
Hey, look, you can wipe your hands off with the slime.
I already knew that because Brittany showed me before.
Sticky.
Alright,
Oh, look at this.
This is
what's
sticky.
I can roll mine back.
Can I have more shaving cream with me?
You have enough shaving cream in that, cause
Me and Brittany's turned out good, but
hers is good. She just needed to mix it. Look at this. This thing made a mess.
oh yeah.
Oh,
You
yeah.
might-
You're going to be surprised that will
Look
make
at
some
that.
pasta. Look at
Ooh.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Now this is a real good slime.
Oh, this can stretch.
This can stretch.
Stretch that. Dang, man.
Okay, now, do y'all want to add beads to y'all?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna add some of this time.
Okay.
But I want to
So
add.
let's show it to the camera. Show them
But
what
I
that
want
is.
to add stuff.
This is some little slime things.
These
It's,
are
it's a foam beads. And what you got?
beads to put in your
What's
slime.
that? Show it to the camera. It's beads. We have foam beads, and then we have these star beads. And these are really pretty. I like these. It stars and flowers.
It
Oh,
opened.
This magic model clay. I have always wanted
But
to
the
use
other one
this.
did some too.
Yeah, I got some minutes. Y'all can use that. Not the whole thing though. Don't use the whole thing though. Like a little bit.
I don't want no beads. I want some beads. Those are some cool. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Time to pour.
That's why I told you let me do it. Alright, that's enough beads. Look, she spilled them. That's enough for them beads. Yeah. Just like throw it to her hand.
Wish. There.
I don't even have to
I'm
do
ready to run.
it. Look,
Which is gonna give me some.
magic model clay.
Wow.
This is actually like slime already, but
Oh,
nice.
nice.
a little bit.
Rub it.
What is that, clay?
It's like make your slime like thick and soft.
Hey, I want some.
Oh, it's already gone.
All different ones. It's cool. Oh, I love it. Stretch it out. Let me see it. Cool. Let me see yours, Brittany.
So sweet.
And look what I got in mine.
Morgan,
Heart
can I
and
check yours
star.
out?
I got some in heart and stars.
You gonna stretch it out so we can see it?
Right. And
Oh,
Go.
cool.
This one got hard though.
and then
It's like butter. Nice. Okay, I'm done. Ooh, look at that.
awesome, like you did.
Ooh.
so
All right, let's see. Let's see yours. Final product. Oh. Ew, there's a hair in it. Do one of these like that.
Because put it out.
Like a circle. And like that. This one is not like as sticky as I wanted it to be, but
Mine's
that's okay.
like
We're gonna
this.
make another one. We're gonna make one more slime for Stormy. Okay?
All together. And the last container is Stormy.
The last
So that's
Yeah,
kind of
the
a
last-
story.
the last one's gonna be nice. We're gonna make it really
Wait,
good.
what's at? pink and purple together because I still got a little bit.
I'll
be purple. Purple and
I
pink.
actually used all of mine.
We can just put water in it. We use all this stuff. This is $1. So these are our slimes. These are the 3 slimes that we made.
I'm pretty gonna like this video.
And
So-
so, comment, subscribe. If my comments are on.
Please.
Alright, so we actually gotta makeshift some stuff out of this because we kind of used all of it. But it's gonna be okay. Wait, let me put some water in here first. We're just gonna put a little bit of water in here first, then we're gonna shake it up.
Yes?
Wait, oh no, not yet. You gotta put the top on first. You don't have to put the top on that. Not yet.
Not yet.
You know I got shake like.
I gotta shake mine.
And
Rihanna gotta shake mine. Shake mine.
Look at that.
you know
I
how
got
to
it.
shake.
Shake, shake.
Keep shaking. What the heck is you doing? Why shaking like that? You shaking it crazy.
Because I'm trying to make it tiny.
Crazy.
Can you do this look good? Does this
Yes.
look good, Brittany?
Yes. Okay, y'all can pour that in now.
Time to pour. Whoa, look at
Whoa.
that.
First gonna be the best one for real. Just a little teeny bit of those. Just a little bit for baby, a little bit. And what color do Stormy like? Pink?
No, she got red. And for her, she got red.
I think I went to pink. This is a cute
All right,
one.
let me put the glue.
We already put glue in there. Just a little bit, not too much.
Can we both mix, Brittany?
Yes, actually, I want to mix this one.
Please.
I want to mix this one inside. Now y'all can mix it.
Yeah, I'm trying to mix too.
Hey, play fair, okay? Okay, that's scoot over so I can sit, have a seat. Yeah, we're just gonna pretend this mess ain't here, you feel me? But I'm gonna do the next part.
Hollywood.
This is gonna be like watery jelly slime.
Let me
Oh, this one's nice.
get that cream stuff that we was gonna use.
Oh, we don't need that one though, because we trying to make it clear. This is gonna be good.
I got it.
Look at that.
Brittany?
We got enough of it, okay? We got finished.
Because she's a
We got
baby.
enough. We got enough. Okay.
What is baking soda?
To be honest,
Baking
I know they bake with it, but you can make slime with it. We have enough. Let's just watch. Let's just observe what's going on. Okay, let's just watch it.
It's
party.
I hope hers won't stick to the table.
What?
Now this the good slime right here, y'all. All right, so we're done. Did you just smell your hand?
What?
It smell like slime.
Yes. But
It smell like glue. Okay, I'm actually getting tired of do this.
Brittany, don't just get it.
I get it.
So, make sure you subscribe.
Look. She don't know what this is.
This is the food. It's sticky. Get it off there. When? Give it. Whoa.
She astonished.
Ooh, sticky. Bye, you guys. I hope you liked this video.
Okay, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. God bless you. God loves you. Continue to be yourself and pray and read the Bible every single day. And yeah, that's it for this video. They enjoyed their slime. They had a good time. They had a fun time. But if you want to see more videos with them or videos like this, go ahead and comment down below. And yeah, peace out. Bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Then that.
Hold up. Before you click off this video, I'm gonna need you to do exactly what this button is doing right here. Okay, God bless you. God loves you. Goodbye.